चलो बज रहा है एक मिनट मैम सारे जरा उधर ड्रॉप इधर राइट से आप मैम राइट वो हम ज्यादा खड़े थे लाइव शुरू हां
sir right sir
Good afternoon everyone. So finally I'm here and I'm very thankful to you all for inviting me here. And Ami ma'am, where are you? Oh hi. Kemjo?
बस मजा में
Wow, when I came here, when I entered and she was talking on the mic, and I felt so proud that another lady, very experienced, very senior from Ahmedabad, and she made me proud. So I'm really proud of you. Thank you so much. And when I was called here, they told me कि आपको कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा women empowerment के लिए, आप लोगों को कैसे inspire करोगे and all that. But right now I feel that I'm speechless. And I just feel that I have not done anything yet. Like the way she is doing in the society, the way she is contributing for the society. So I guess I'm feeling empowered now. I'm feeling that she has inspired me a lot to do a lot for the society. Thank you so much for doing this for me. And yeah, this is my film Calendar Girls. You all know, maybe not me, but Madhu Bhandarkar obviously. So he really makes female-oriented films, and this film, Calendar Girls, I play a Pakistani girl, Nazneen Malik. So again, Modi plays a Pakistani, so that's a big controversy. Everybody asked me that why Madhu chose you to be a Pakistani girl. I said I don't have any answer for that. You have to ask him. But yeah, in this film, my character, I play a Pakistani girl, Nazneen Malik. She's a very strong-headed girl. She's a very bold girl, and she is very ambitious, dreamy girl. Just like Nazneen, the others, like every girl is very ambitious, very bold, and they have their dreams, they want to success, they want to achieve something in their life. But Ami ma'am, you said one thing which is very important, that whom should we talk about women empowerment, you know? Actually, there are men whom should we talk about women empowerment. Because today, whatever I am in my life, because my father supported me, because my brother supported me. It is my father's dream which I am living now. So I am thankful to the men in my life who had made me to do all this. So I just want to request all the men of the society to allow their children, to allow their wives or their fiancés or their daughters or everybody to just chase their dreams. And I again don't like the word allow. Who are they to allow us? You know, there are many girls who come to me and they said, I want to be something, I want to do modeling, I want to be an actor, but my father is not allowing me, my husband is not allowing me. So I just want to ask them, who are they to allow you? You are not meant for them. जब आपके husband को कुछ बनना था, they didn't come to ask your permission. मुझे करना है, मैं कुछ बनूं क्या? So yes, she said very right thing that we should spread this message. And I'm here, and this is just a beginning for myself, like this is just a beginning of my career. So I just wish that 5 years down the line, where I'll be standing again with some bigger platform like this, so I'll have a long list to say about whatever messages I have spread and whatever work I have done to contribute in my society. Because my father kept telling me one thing always, that you become successful, that's your luck. But if you can't contribute, you can't make others successful, then your success has no meaning. So I just want to do something, and this is just a beginning. So just wish me all the best that I can contribute a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Avni. And
ladies and ladies, and oh, there are some gentlemen also. But this is your evening, and I'm very grateful to II Global to have invited me here. I must say, I've just come. I'm sorry I'm late. That's the time I was called. I don't know where Amiji is sitting.
I'm here.
Ma'am, I give you a big salute.
Thank you so much.
I was tremendously touched by what you said, and I wish the organizers had given you a couple of hours.
Yes. I completely agree with
Yes,
you.
and now
I
in
can
order
go
to
on
make
and
up
on.
for those hours, I'll make my speech as short as possible. So no, I don't have any complaints about time. I am a bit speechless because firstly I don't know if I should speak in Gujarati, but both the speakers have been Gujaratis. And secondly, I'm speechless because my cousin sister in Chandigarh, when I was coming here, I said, "Where are you going?" I said, "Yeah, I'm going to ladies' function." Actually, I see a lot of pretty women there. And I must say she was absolutely right. That's why I'm a bit speechless right now. I just have to say one or two very things that come to my mind. Madam Ami was a look into the past that still refuses to budge and clings to us in spite of everything we are doing to empower the women. She's absolutely right. I was absolutely shocked to hear what she said, and I'm very glad. I'm sure the future of India is very bright if there are women like her in India. On the other hand, I'm very happy because I see this little Modi child of mine as a look into the future. I'm so glad that Dad said, "Do what you feel like," but, and most important is what my father used to say, Mr. Balraj Sahni. He said, "If you work for yourself, you're working for nothing. Work for others. They can benefit." That's wonderful. I appreciate that. I just remember that in one of Nehru's books, I think it was either Discovery of India or Letters to his daughter, which is kind of a world history. He said that he judges a country's condition and status by only two things. Firstly, how much steel the country produces, and secondly, by the status of its women. And he was absolutely right. There are still, unfortunately, countries where women do not have that freedom. And unfortunately, there are countries where I have migrated from, where little girls are shot because they go to school. In that respect, things were pretty bad a couple of decades ago, I can tell you. Women were much more oppressed, but I am personally very happy about the way things are going, at least in the metropolitan cities. Although Madam is right, Ami is right, that there is a lot of injustice even now. But I just tell you one thing that happened just the other day. I was shooting for a serial. There's a very senior actor, almost as senior as me, for a serial, and he came to me in a flat. He was very angry. He said, "Yaar, kamal ho gaya. There's a little girl sitting in shorts, short hair, brows, leg across the other." I said, "Yeah, look at her." He said, "Well, she's the creative head." And he just came and told me, "Sir, you did your shot wrong. Do it correctly." कोई आप मुझे बोल रहे ऐसे यार? मैंने कहा, "सर, माफ कीजिएगा, ये बिल्कुल अच्छी बात लगती है मुझे यार कि लड़की आज इस ओहदे पे पहुंच गई। It's wonderful. और आज बिल्कुल आजाद है, जैसे चाहिए वैसे कपड़े पहने बैठी है. And this is not just one unit. Today, I'm very happy to say most of the girls between the age of 22, 23, 27, 28, they are creative heads. They are creative heads. They are an integral part of our film industry, of the unit. Many girls are writing scripts. Many girls are the DOPs, the photographers. Many girls are in charge of this, that, and the other. And believe me, there's a little little thing I have to tell you, which I read in the papers the other day.
Consultancy founder, Miss Nilima Kamdar. And Craft founder, Baya Design, Miss Shivani Jain. I'm going to call on stage Avni again so that she can give away some awards for some prestigious winners. Tarotmaster, TarotTreasure.com. Miss Kiran Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she isn't here. Leave. Thank you so much, ma'am. I will go through your game properly. A big hand of applause for all the winners.
Very good evening to all of you all. Beautiful, gorgeous women, outside and inside. You're rewarded today for the good job. Keep it up, keep on, go on. Thank you very much.
Here is leading woman entrepreneur, founder, Lead Innovations, Aslesha Thakur.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Tinaji. Thanks a lot for being here. A big hand of applause for the winners. I would like to call on our next guest on stage, and her name is Ekta Jain. You must all know her, she's a TV actor. I would like to call her on stage to give away the Blue Award. Next.
आमची मुंबई, आपने ज़रूर उसे सुना होगा। मेरा सेकंड एल्बम है जैज़ बार, तो आप उसे यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हो। और मैंने राजस्थानी मूवी में भी गाना गाया है, और 2-3 हिंदी फिल्म्स ऑल्सो एंड इवन इन मराठी। सो आई विल सिंग माई फर्स्ट एल्बम का सॉन्ग आमची मुंबई। सो इट गोज लाइक दिस। आमची मुंबई रात्र मुंबईची पाहिली का, ऐसा लगेगा सब कुछ मिलेगा, मुंबईचा जादू चढा। आमची मुंबई रात्र मुंबईची पाहिली का, ऐसा लगेगा सब कुछ मिलेगा, मुंबईचा जादू चढा। आमची मुंबई वा भैया
Next winner is Lee.
Let me just say congratulations to all of these very beautiful women out here. It's not just beauty, it's beauty with brains here. So congratulations all of you. Keep up the good work.
Okay, she's going to hand.
Excuse me, you know, one step. Thank you.
And social worker, Dr. Ami Yagnik. A big hand for Dr. Ami Yagnik.
Yeah, madam, here. Excuse me.
सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका पेंटिंग देख के?
पेंटिंग देख
पेंटिंग और अंदर अवार्ड दिया गया, अवार्ड शो दिया गया। हाँ, अभी महिलाओं
वुमेन्स को फेलिसिटेट किया गया, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
भाई मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित मुतासिर हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा। और मैं ये जो संस्था है आई ग्लोबल, इसको मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ। कमाल कर दिया इन लोगों ने एक्चुअली। और चंद जो मैंने भाषण सुने, जो तकरीरें सुनी, वो तो कमाल की थी। ख़ास तौर से मैं ज़रा लेट आया क्योंकि बुलाया लेट मुझे। वो मैडम अमी याग्निक साहिबा, फिर वो छोटी सी लड़की जो मोदी जो एक्ट्रेस है। मतलब ये कि आजकल के ज़माने में जो कर रहे हैं ये बहुत बेइंतहा ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है। क्योंकि वाकई जैसे हमारी मैडम याग्निक जो एक लॉयर है, उन्होंने बताया कि हालांकि लड़कियों ने महिलाओं ने तरक्की की है, हर क्षेत्र में काम कर रही हैं, आर्मी में भी हैं, पायलट्स भी हैं, हमारी भूतपूर्व प्रेसिडेंट लेडी थी, मगर फिर भी इनको अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनका शोषण हो रहा है किसी हद तक। तो इनको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। इनका मुस्तकबिल, इनका भविष्य बड़ा उज्जवल है। और मुझे और मैं जब भी इनकी अभी किसी तरह से मदद कर सकूँ, मैं बहुत खुश होऊंगा, सब काम छोड़ के आ जाऊँगा इस संस्था को। और जिन लेडीज़ को इन्होंने अवार्ड दिए हैं उनको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद दो। उसमें से एक तो मेरे स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल थी, और दूसरी आज मेरी बेटी का जो इलाज हो रहा है वो सिंगापुर में है, वो मैडम मुग्धा कर रही है, मुग्धा राव। तो मेरे लिए बड़ी खुशी का मौका था, बेहद खुशी का मौका था आज। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
This Women Leaders Award, so it's a great platform, and you know, they are spreading that awareness of women empowerment through this platform, through this award function, and all the achievers, female achievers were called here and they were given awards. So I feel proud that I was there, I was present there, and I have given awards to many females who are far more senior to me, but they are achievers, and I feel inspired and I feel blessed.
ये अवार्ड कितना प्रेरणा देगा खास करके वुमेन्स की अचीवमेंट्स को?
वेल, ये अवार्ड एक तरह का अप्रिसिएशन ही होता है, यू नो, एंड एवरीबडी लाइक्स बीइंग अप्रिशिएटेड। और एक छोटा सा बच्चा भी होता है, उसको भी अगर आप खुश होकर उसको एक चॉकलेट भी दो तो उसे अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज आप उसके काम की तारीफ करते हैं। सो व्हेन समबडी इज वर्किंग हार्ड, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो टुडे स्पेशली इन आवर कंट्री द कॉम्पिटिशन इज सो हाई एंड इट्स सो टफ। ये किसी भी फील्ड में इफ़ यू हैव टू अचीव समथिंग, इफ़ यू हैव टू बी सक्सेसफुल, you have to work really hard, I mean more than hard, and for that you have to be achiever, and lot many ups and downs you have to face, lot many hurdles are there in your way. So इन सबको come out करके आपको अगर इन सब चीज़ों से बाहर आके when you achieve something and when the society is noticing your achievements and your performance, so it's very good thing, and we all should appreciate this kind of achievers, and we all should spread this awareness, and we should acknowledge these people more. So I just feel that there are just few females whom we have appreciated, whom we have given awards, but there are lot many females who are all over our countries who are doing best in their lives, and they are doing something very good for the society, but they are not recognized enough, they are not appreciated enough, so we should do it more.
अवनी, जैसे आपकी फिल्म भी आ रही है, वो वुमन सेंट्रिक फिल्म है, तो कहीं ना कहीं कह सकते हैं कि वुमन सेंट्रिक फिल्मों को भी एक्सेप्ट किया जा रहा है आजकल।
बिल्कुल, दैट इज द चेंज इन द सोसाइटी ना। आप पहले देखते थे सिर्फ कमर्शियल फिल्में आती थी और सिर्फ हीरो ओरिएंटेड फिल्में आती थी, आज भी वो है और आज भी उसका मार्केट है, लेकिन एक फीमेल ओरिएंटेड फिल्मों ने भी अपनी जगह बनाई है, एंड फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म्स दे आर बीइंग अप्रिशिएटेड, पीपल आर लविंग इट। तो आज के दौर में सोसाइटी में जैसे चेंज आ रहे हैं, तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी वो चेंज आ रहे हैं, एंड सिनेमा भी उस तरह से चेंज हो रहा है। सो ऑब्वियसली मिस्टर मधुर भंडारकर जो हमारे डायरेक्टर है, वो तो इसके मतलब ही हैज स्टार्टेड दिस ट्रेंड ऑफ फीमेल सेंट्रिक सिनेमा। सो सो उन्हीं की वजह से हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एक नया ट्रेंड शुरू हुआ था और जिसको आज इतनी सक्सेस मिली है। सो आई जस्ट फील लकी एंड आई जस्ट फील ग्रेट दैट आई एम वर्किंग विद मिस्टर गुप्ता।
ट्रेलर आउट हो चुका है तो घर की फैमिली की तरफ से क्या कुछ रिस्पॉन्स?
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है। माई फैमिली एंड माई फ्रेंड्स दे आर जस्ट लविंग इट एंड दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द फिल्म। सो बिकॉज एक होता है जो यू आर डूइंग योर फर्स्ट फिल्म एंड इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर योर फैमिली, इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर दैम दैट उनकी घर की बेटी ने जाके कुछ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नाम कमाया। सो दे आर जस्ट लविंग इट।
इंडस्ट्री से किस तरह के कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ रहे हैं, खास करके आपके किरदार को लेकर?
वेल किरदार को लेके भी ज़्यादा कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट अ ट्रेलर कि जहाँ पे किरदार को लेके ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं किया गया है, कंटेंट को हमने रिवील नहीं किया है। बट या पाकिस्तानी लड़की का रोल है तो सब मुझे ये पूछते ज़रूर रहते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ देयर इन पाकिस्तानी गर्ल्स कैरेक्टर, यू नो व्हाट इज़ योर जर्नी इन द फिल्म। सो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट बिकॉज द रेस्ट 4 गर्ल्स दे बिलोंग टू इंडिया ओनली, दे आर फ्रॉम द सेम नेशनलिटी, ओनली आई बिलोंग टू द डिफरेंट नेशनलिटी इन द फिल्म। सो वो एक अलग ट्रैक है फिल्म के अंदर जिसको लेके लोग काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है। तो मुझे जो रिव्यूज़ मिल रहे हैं काफ़ी पॉजिटिव मिल रहे हैं और लोग बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है ये जानने के लिए कि व्हाट इज़ देयर। आई मीन मधु जी पाकिस्तानी को लेकर एक फिल्म में आ रहे हैं तो वो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।